What is going on, Adventure Nation? I wanted to give you guys a quick heads up. As I'm editing this video, I realize that it's probably going to be better if I don't use a lot of outside music. I don't know how that's going to work with YouTube. I might get flagged for copyright and things with other songs that we hear throughout the video, but I just think that it's better while we're exploring the sights and sounds of Las Vegas if we just show you the ambient sound that's happening in this crazy city, our former home. Hope you enjoy the video. This is TME with Paul and Lorena. We're out for another night of craziness, starting tonight at the MGM.
Let's walk a little bit, shall we?
Walking through the MGM Grand is from the back is an absolute nightmare. It's like a mile to the Strip, but now we're out on the Strip. It is really cool out here. The Las Vegas Strip, or the Strip as it's known by frequent visitors, is a 4.2-mile section of Las Vegas Boulevard that stretches from Russell Road on the south end up to Sahara Avenue on the north end. It is known by Clark County Visitors Authority as the Resort Corridor. We consider the South Strip to be the section from Russell Road to Tropicana, the Main Strip to be from Tropicana up to Sands Avenue, and the North Strip from Sands Avenue up to Sahara. Tonight we're going to be focusing on the Main Strip between Tropicana and Flamingo. We are inside the Bellagio, and this particular display is in their atrium, and they change this 4 times a year. So they do a winter, spring, summer, and fall deal. This is the fall, and this is probably the coolest one we've ever seen with the fairies and things for the fall season. Very, very cool. It is spectacular. It is really well done and super colorful. Most, if not all, of the florals are real. Obviously, the trees and stuff, the giant trees are not real, but most of the florals are real. It is spectacular. We highly recommend, if you're in Vegas, to come to the Bellagio just to check out the atrium.
After walking 2.5 to 3 miles on the Strip, we decided to change it up a little bit, and we jumped on the Las Vegas Monorail, took a ride up to the Las Vegas Convention Center and back to get a different perspective of the MSG Sphere.
We are currently up on top of the Stratosphere Tower. It's been a long time since I've been up here, but the view of the Strip and the rest of Vegas is spectacular. Check that out. Obviously, that is the Strip there. And then you can see the ball over here. The Sphere, the MSG Sphere. Just insane. It's amazing. We're 871 feet above the Las Vegas Strip. Not a single scream out of that guy. Check this thing out. How cool is that? Lorena and I are out on the Strip tonight. We're gonna do one of our favorite walks down the Strip and get our 10,000 steps in probably in the next.
It's not like tonight per se. There's still sun out.
There's still sun out, so late afternoon tonight. So we parked at the Wynn. We're heading over to the Venetian. We're gonna head on up the Strip and we'll see what happens.
Probably turn around at Caesar's Palace.
Yeah.
Mid-strip.
The day of wine and roses.
This corner now. What used to be Italian.
Yes. Ah. All right, Lorena, how does it feel to be back in the hustle and bustle of Las Vegas?
I believe it's good. It's good. Like, we've been in a small town for so long that it's entertaining. But I don't think I could move back here.
It'd be crazy to come back, right? Yeah,
Yeah.
It's a great place to come and visit now, but we wouldn't want to live here.
You can put on
I will say that Las Vegas is an ever-changing city. Holy smokes.
So many new things.
Yeah, if you go away for just a little while and you come back, there's so many new things. And definitely the case now. We haven't been here in over a year, maybe even going on 2 years. And there are so many cool new things here. It's insane. So right now we're in the Linq, which was fairly new when we lived here and wasn't quite full. And now it's full of stuff.
An established shopping, restaurant area now.
Yes, lots of restaurants and eateries and bars and entertainment things to do. Zip lining, bowling, there's all kinds of cool stuff. So yeah, all changing. So now we're gonna walk around, cross the street, maybe hit Caesars, go through the Caesars shopping center, and then work our way slowly back to the Wynn. Fun stuff. And now we're going into Caesar's house. Caesar's palace. Oh, hit the door.
Did Caesar live here?
Yes, he did.
Can I ask you another question?
Sure.
You probably get this a lot. This isn't the real Caesar's palace, is it?
What do you mean?
Did Caesar live here?
No.
I didn't think so.
We've made it into Caesar's Palace, and specifically Caesar's Palace Forum. They've got really unique escalators here. Check these out. Yeah, that's not camera trickery. These escalators are round. They are literally in a 180-degree turn from one floor to the next. Pretty cool. Vegas is a pretty cool city all the time, but there is something about the nighttime here when the sun goes down and the lights come up. Just spectacular. All the neon is crazy.
It is. It's charming.
Lorraine and I are almost done with our night. But the McPeaks came with us. Cliff and Mickey. They're friends of ours from back in the day, so they came out to hang out with us on the strip a little bit. That was kind of cool.
On a school night.
On a school night, yeah, absolutely. Now they're going to be tired in the morning.
That's okay. It's still worth it.
Oh, look at that.
Next time on TME with Paul and Lorena.
Lori and I are at the border crossing in Mexicali and we're walking across.
Walking to Mexico.
So the story goes, we were driving with the Hamptons down to Baja with a trailer, and